If you're into Outlier, you're into Prolific, you're into user testing, I will recommend this particular proxy to you. NodeMaven, it's actually a good one. I've actually used this and I've tested this. That is why I'm bringing it to this platform. So I want us to take a look at this platform as it's user friendly. Right here it says proxy infrastructure for next gen web operators. Buy residential, mobile, and ISP proxy with clean IPs for account management, automation, web scraping, and AI agents. Now they went ahead to say try for $3.50. So when you come right here, you can quickly sign up with Google. You can as well see that it's efficient proxy solution for any tax. That is, most of the taxers, these are what they use on this particular web browser. So when you come right here, you can see a breakdown of this NodeMaven. You can see residential proxy and how you can get to know more about it by clicking on the learn more button. ISP mobile proxies and the likes of it. So this is a breakdown of what you can get within a month. You can see it right here. So a lot of people online are making use of this particular proxy, and you are not being told. Now, these are the benefits you'll be getting, and these are the breakdown when you go for this particular package. But right now, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started on this NodeMaven proxy and how you can get it connected. But before I proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you are interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Now, I'm going to sign into my account and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this particular proxy. And if you have any question regarding everything said in this video, you can feel free to drop your comments and I'm glad to give response to you. So right here, I'm going to log into my account and I'm going to proceed in showing you how this proxy works so you can get started immediately. Now, when you log into your account, you are going to get this interface. Unlike other platforms that you find it confusing, you can see right here it says subscription plan. You can see bonus traffic left, that is the GB you have. So right here, when you come right here, you can see all users, all products, and the likes of it. Now, what you're going to do right now, if you want to get proxy, you will come right here and you see breakdown by domain, all users, and also all products. So to get proxy is very simple. You come down to this hamburger icon. You are going to see pricing. You're going to see rotating residential proxy. You are going to see ISP proxy, dashboard, billing, profile, get free traffic, and documentation. Now, to get started, all you want to do right now is to get your residential proxy. So, but before that, you would want to go over to pricing to see how it looks like. So right here, you can see 2 GB is actually this amount you're seeing on the screen. So when you go ahead to click buy, you're going to be getting this instantly on your account. Now you can see fixed monthly pricing and the likes of it. So every details right here are very self-explanatory. That is why I don't want to give this video a long talk on it. So you can see unlock the power of our product, get 750 MB of residential proxy and access to all features. This is just to get a trial. So you can quickly click on get a trial and you get access to this, but you have to insert your details to start up with this free trial. Now, when you come right here and you want to get the rotating residential proxy, which most of us use on our survey, which is very common and it's good to use. So once you click on this, you'll be brought right here. Now you can see that it is just like other platforms you're seeing right here. So when you come down to proxy, you are going to see this. So this is actually like the minimum you can get from here. You can see that 2 gig for this amount. So if you actually want to increase, you can see it says 8.5 in a month. So you can as well increase this depending on what you want. So you can see the more you increase, the more you also get some benefit within a month. You can see that right here. So let's say we actually leave it at this 2 gig. What you just have to do is to come right here. You can pay as you go as well. So this one you're seeing right here is actually a build monthly. So you can pay as you go right here. The moment you click on pay as you go, you'll be brought right here. You can see that this is actually pay as you go. So you can pay as you go. So if you come right here, look at it. So if you drag this, depending on how many gig you want, you will see what you'll be getting. Now you can see right here we have over 1000 GB for 2.45 dollar. So when you come right here, you can as well drag to what you actually want. So let's say we actually want to get for pay as you go, and we want to make this, let's say this is actually okay. No, let's say we have something of let's say $3. Okay, let's say $2.92. This is it. So you just have to come right and click on buy traffic now, right? So you can come right here and you select which way you want to start with this. So you can see you can come right here and insert your details or use other cryptocurrencies. So you come right here and click on apply. So the moment you use this, just go ahead to click on apply. Once you've actually selected everything right here, you'll be given a discount when you go ahead using my promo code. So that is how to actually get this. Now after getting this, what you want to do next is to come right here. You're going to be seeing how you can set up this when you go over to your rotating proxy. So you come right here and do your setup. So from here you are going to be getting your password, your username, and everything you need to use on super proxy. So you just have to copy this. So if you don't have proxy purchase, you come right here and click on add traffic. So the add traffic actually means you purchasing a GB plan for your proxy. So once you've actually gotten this, you can see right here we have pay per IP. If you want to pay per IP, depending on what you want to do. So some of us are actually conversant on how to use proxy using IPs specifically for branded. For some of us that have fixed process or fixed focus on branded, you get a static IP that you want to use for your branded. So this particular one has been tested. So this is actually where I want us to pay close attention to, because this static IP has actually helped a lot in getting a permanent branded account without having to get issues. And the way they do it is that once you come right here, you can quickly go ahead to pick 50 IPs and you stick to those IPs. And before those IPs elapse, you are going to be renewing those IPs to use for your branded. Now you can see we have the HTTP, we also have the SOX 5, and we also have the plan. So you can choose a plan of 30 days or 90 days and the location as well. So these are just the process of getting your static IPs. You are going to be seeing the orders and the breakdown right here before you go ahead to continue to check out. So which is very simple and understandable. So when you come right here to my proxies, you're going to be seeing what you've actually gotten so far on your account. So come right to buy new, and you are going to be seeing the unlimited traffic and the analytics quality checks, free swap included, and the likes of it. So when you go back, you're also going to be seeing that you have access to also change your proxy if you are not focused on getting only the ISP proxy. So we have the rotating IPs for some of us that are focused on some surveys that don't actually need strong security questions or strong security check on the account. So when you come over to your dashboard as well, you are going to be seeing that you can as well see the process of what you have been doing on your account. As it's user friendly, anyone can have access to this platform and get started. So what you just want to do right now is to go ahead to sign up using the link on the pinned comment section. The moment you sign in, you are going to be seeing get free traffic right here. So you can as well see where it says invite friends and earn bonus traffic, get 50% bonus traffic when your friends make their first purchase excluding trials, and they will get the same bonus. So you come right here and also share your link, you get rewards, you claim your bonus traffic, and you also use it for whatever you want to use. Right here it says claim your bonus traffic into usable data anytime. Transferred amounts will be added to traffic left. So that is how to go about using this NodeMaven proxy. So it's very user friendly. So I just hope you take good use of this advantage. I actually confirmed that the proxy works perfectly with branded. I've tried it on user testing. I've also tried it on Outlier, and we actually got good results. So but before you go ahead activating this on your super proxy, after connecting it, make sure you have actually gone through wa.net to confirm your proxy and to go over and checking your analytics that everything is perfect for you to proceed with your proxy. Now when you come down to documentation, it's just like you getting to know about the NodeMaven proxy and how it works, how to get started on our proxy, and some other informations you need to know about this proxy. So you can see reviews of other people right here that NodeMaven is actually a good proxy for you to get started with. So what you can actually do right now is to take advantage of it, make use of it right now. It's actually active. I tried and I confirmed that it's a good one. Make sure your account is set properly, and make sure you get your traffic, as the traffic is actually the GB you're getting right here. Getting it connected is not a difficult one, because if you actually want to do everything at once, you come right to your rotating proxy right here. That is, if you're not going for the ISP, you come over to your rotating residential proxy after setting up your account. Now, after coming over to rotating IP right here, you are going to come right here. You are going to see that you'll be requested to get a generating proxy to add over here, because that is where you start up with it. But if you actually want to start from the beginning, you just have to come right here. You select if it's for mobile or for residential. So let's say you select for residential. You come right here, United States, California, city. You can actually leave it as random, but you can select a specific city. Let's say this particular one. Okay, so you can see it's actually giving you at medium. So what you want to go for is something that has high advantage. So let's say we are picking this particular one. You come right here and you see where it says advanced settings, proxy username and the likes of it. So before this can appear is only when you've actually added a traffic. So you can come right here and click on add traffic, or you come right here to click on add traffic. So the moment you click on add traffic, that is where you want to get your plan. Okay, you want to get your proxy. So come right here and you go ahead to click on this buy now. But before that, you can as well read what is below it, where it says fixed monthly pricing for predictable rotating proxy workload. So the benefit and everything you are going to be getting, and if you have issues, you can quickly contact them right here. So once you click on buy now, you're going to be getting your proxy. Then you can now go over to your rotating proxy to complete your offers right here, and you are good to go in connecting over to super proxy. So that is how to use the NodeMaven proxy and get started with your online platforms in today's world. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understand and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, don't forget to use the promo code so you can be able to get discounts whenever you're getting your proxy from this platform. So see you on my next video and keep winning.